Lornetta Sanks wrote the book Robot Kinematics Demystified for iNugGits Robotics STEM Academy.
You want to know the real secret to success in robotics? It's not about what school you went to or how many textbooks you've read. It's about your ability to solve problems that nobody solved before. Show me a robotics textbook that teaches you that skill. So what industry actually wants, let's talk about that. The robotics industry doesn't care about your GPA or how many textbooks you've memorized. They care about what you've built. They care about the problems you've solved. They want to see your GitHub repository, not your transcript. Oh, and don't forget, solve inverse kinematics by hand with pencil and paper, for crying out loud. No code, no simulation, no robot in sight. That's the textbooks. Just matrices. Mind-numbing, soul-crushing, sanity-testing matrices. Why?
This book serves as the cornerstone of the Academy's hands-on robotics curriculum. In Robot Kinematics Demystified, Sanks, who is a former Lockheed Martin software engineer and a self-taught robotics educator, reimagines how beginners approach robotics by focusing on practical, project-based learning rather than traditional textbook methods. Here are some key highlights from the book. Focus on auto DIY, biped robot. The book uses the open-source Auto Robot as a platform for teaching robotics fundamentals, making it accessible to learners of all ages. Denavit Hartenberg Convention. Sanks introduces this standardized framework for modeling robotic kinematic chains, which is essential for understanding how robots move. Inverse kinematics. Readers learn how to derive motion equations and joint angles to achieve coordinated behaviors like walking. Bridge between theory and practice. The book emphasizes applying mathematical principles to real-world robotic programming, especially using C++. This resource is used in iNugGits STEM Academy's boot camps and workshops, helping students grasp complex robotics concepts through engaging hands-on experiences. If you're curious about the curriculum or want to explore the book further, I can help you find more resources or similar learning tools.